Hi guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about a design team call for the shop, and also I want to announce the new design team members for our YouTube design team. So I put a big pile of cards that I've made throughout the months. If you like card making, you like images like this, then you are going to want to apply for the design team position. Now I only have one position available right now. I might add two spots. I'm thinking about it, and all you have to do is go to my blog, read the details on how to apply. There's all the requirements and the information on the blog post for you. It is open for US only right now, especially with the mail going slow sometimes to international locations, because I need to get the product out to you quickly. So we're going to leave it for US right now. Let's announce the new design team members. We've got Helen from Crafty Mama Diaries. We've got Tina from The Scrappin' Rabbit. We got Nia from Nia Tulsen. We've got Jen from Quotidian Crafts, and Jeannie from Inside Out Jeans. So those are our new design team members. I'll have their links in the description box for you. Head on over, subscribe to their channel, and see what they have to offer. We have all of the design team members' links in social media on the blog post. So head on over there so you can check out the rest of the team. Especially if you haven't been over in a while. We've got new faces, so check that out. So these are like different cards that I've made with our stamps. So if you like these kind of images, we do have our own release, and we are releasing more and more often. So we've got new releases coming up. We just had a release, this adorable stamp here with the hands. I had a lot of fun creating cards for that. We have the cupcake stamp that was just released with the really cute cookies, and this beautiful floral stamp set. So if you are into making cards and you like making YouTube videos, this is for you. You can post on your social media, share your projects. Lots of fun. We also have a private Facebook group that you'll be a part of, and it's really fun. We've got, I don't even know how many team members, but I'm going to have that on the screen for you so you can see all the faces. I'm sure there's at least 20 of us, or almost 20 of us. So it's a really, really fun team, and I'd be happy to have you. So I'd love for you to apply. You'll be sending the application to my email through my website, and all that information is on the blog post. So thanks guys for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. I'll catch you real soon in the next video. Bye guys.